video, we'll be learning how to go about the examination settings, which is the next steps. So we have arranged the steps. The first step is general settings for new users. Second is examination setting. So click on exam settings. So based on the parameter we have done in the general settings, we have created classes. You can see these are the list of classes we've created so far, the subject we've created so far, the question that we've created so far, and term. So total questions, let me just say we have 10 questions, or let me say 20 questions. Duration maybe 20 minutes. The exam is active. You can add exam illustration. Okay, I wish you a very good luck in your exam. For instance, now we have this, for example. So then click on save, so which means that has been saved. You will see the information here. You can refresh the table here. I can just let me just refresh the page. If you perform any action and you did not see the effect immediately, you can just refresh your page. It will reflect. So you can see first time, so which means that I've enabled this particular exam for students to be able to do it. So after I've done this, I can do for the next subjects, maybe use of English. How many questions? Let me say 10. Duration, let me say 5 minutes. Exam, let me say the exam is not active yet. Let me just click on save, which means the student cannot do the exam. The exam will not even reflect at the student end. So if I refresh my page, you will see the output of what I've just done now. So you can see inactive. So if maybe we have another class that want to do mathematics as well, because we only have one math, you can say mathematics, which class? Let me say GSS 2. So let me say maybe second term, for instance. Okay, how many questions I have for GSS? Okay, let me say second term, and total question, let me say maybe 5, duration 2 minutes. So I can just save it. So any illustration you had here is what we show at the student end. So if I refresh my page now, I'll see the final output of what I've done. You can see. So if you want to edit, I can simply edit. Let me just click on this edit icon, this mark. If you want to delete, click on it. You can delete. If you want to edit, just click on edit. Change what you need to change. Let me change this one to 20. Then let me add testing instructions. Okay, so let me just put it there. I have this saved. So this is saved. I can simply refresh my page, and all the exam settings you have done will come up here. You can see instructions. So you can easily search here as well. If I want to search only mathematics, so you can say I only have mathematics. If I only want to search for by class, you can search by class. So we have GSS 2. If I just want to search by maybe term, second term, you can see. So the table updates, and you can easily download this to Excel, and you can use this for anything you want to use this later. So another thing, this is the second step you need to follow. So all the exams you know your students will be doing, you create them. The one that you know that they want to do now, make them active. If they are not doing it now, make them inactive. So any exam that you make inactive will not reflect at the student end. Any exam you make active will definitely reflect at the student end. So that is how to do the exam settings. So you are going to do this across all the subjects or class or courses that you want to conduct exam for.